everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the warden from Minecraft. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft warden, let's begin with the head. So we want to come right up here and we're going to start by drawing a line that's just going to come across for the top of the head. Next we're going to draw a line that comes down on each side to form the sides of the face. Then we're going to make a nice line that comes across here for a little square shape for the head. Now starting up here, I'm going to draw a little diagonal line on each side. And then we're going to connect this with a straight line. This way it kind of looks like our warden is kind of looking down at us. Now I'm going to start up here a little bit above the bottom of our square, and we're going to draw a little line on each side. Then we're going to bring this line down. And then we're going to come straight across here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a nice long line that's going to come down past the body. And we'll do that same thing here. We're just going to make a nice long line that comes down past the body. We're going to go across on each side. Then we're going to bring this down and then over. Same thing here. We're just going to bring this down. And then let's just come right across like this. Now I'm going to draw a little line that comes down. And then we're going to bring this right up here towards the body. Let's do that same thing here. We're going to go down. And then we're going to bring this right up back towards the body. Right here, let's make a diagonal line, and then let's come across. Same thing here, diagonal line, and then come across. And then up here, we've got a little line to make that goes down on each side. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over, and then we're going to bring this up. And same thing here, we're going to come down, let's go over, and bring it up. Then we're going to make a little line that comes up on each end, and then we'll make a little line that comes right here for the legs. Now let's start adding some details. So one of the things that we want to add are the horns of our warden. So to draw the horns, we're going to make a little line that's going to go over, and then we're going to come down. Then we'll go over and then up. We'll go over and up again. Then we'll come in and up. Now we're going to go over, and we're going to add two little notches over here. And we're going to bring this down, and then we're just going to kind of follow the same little shape right here, just to kind of connect them. Same thing here, we're going to go over and down. We'll come over and then up, and we'll go over and up again. We'll bring it in and up and come over. Then we'll add a couple little notches right here. And they don't have to be the exact same as this one. We're just going to go down and in, down, in, down, and then come back into here. And you can really make these look however you want to. There's really no right or wrong way. Now we want to add the mouth on our warden. So to add the mouth, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and you can see it's kind of at an angle. We'll do the same thing on this side. We're going to come down and up. We're just going to go down and up. And then we're going to come across. Then we're going to make little lines just going to come across here for the mouth. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make that exact same shape right inside of here. So we're just going to make the exact same shape. So it almost looks like there's lips on here. Now on the feet here, we're going to draw 3 rectangles on each side for the toes of our warden. So we're going to put 1 rectangle here, 1 in the middle, and then 1 right here on the edge. Now we're going to add some details on the arms. So we're going to make a line that goes over and then down. Then we'll bring it over and up a little bit higher. We'll come over and down just a little bit lower. We'll go over, up, and then connect it. Then we're going to go over and up. We're going to go over and down. We'll come up, over, and then down here. Just a little bit of a pattern on there. I'm going to kind of do that same thing over here. We can make it a little bit different in spots, but we're just going to kind of make that same pattern. Almost kind of reminds me of little buildings. So we're just going to make that same kind of shape on each side. Now inside of here we want to add, he almost has like his ribs showing. So we're going to make a little rectangle shape right here. And then we'll do the same thing over here, a little rectangle shape. We'll make another one here. This one's going to come out just a little bit farther. Do that same thing here. It's going to be closer towards the sides of the body. We'll make this one pretty much the same position, maybe in just a tiny bit. And then we'll do one here at the bottom that's kind of, they're moving back in towards the center. We'll repeat that same thing over here. Then inside of here, I'm going to add these kind of like plus sign shapes right inside of here for some little details inside the inside of his body there. So we're just going to add, I'll put about 3 of these in here, these little plus sign shapes. And there you go, there is your drawing of a warden from Minecraft. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.